DCirrus Newsroom. India's top business news in today's edition are Skylark Drones raises $3 million led by InfoEdge Ventures IAN fund. Skylark Drones, a drone platform company, has raised $3 million in a Series A funding round to strengthen its product offering and fuel international expansion. The funding round was co-led by InfoEdge Ventures and IAN fund. Moving on to the next news for today. Licious raises $192 million from investors led by Temasek multiple PE. Fresh meat and seafood retailer Licious has raised $192 million in a Series F funding round led by Singapore-based investment firm Temasek and multiples private equity. Brunei Investment Agency also participated in the round along with the existing investors. The next news for today is Furlenco raises rupees 1,000 crore led by Zinnia Global. Furniture retail firm Furlenco has raised rupees 1,000 crore in a mix of debt and equity as part of its latest funding round led by Zinnia Global Fund. Existing investors CE Ventures and Lightbox Venture also participated in this round. Founded in 2015, the company claims to have grown at a compounded annual growth rate of 120% between 2015 to 2020 despite the pandemic. And the company was able to preserve 95% of its revenue in financial year 2021. That's all for today. I'm Sirali Gupta signing off for now, but we will be back soon with more interesting business news. Till then, stay safe and thank you.